In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase relevance in your ads to improve performance and get better results from your campaigns. One of the most important things you can do is make sure your keywords are tightly matched to your ad text and to the actual search intent behind what someone is typing. This matters because when your ad closely reflects what the user is looking for, it feels more useful, more specific, and more trustworthy. Instead of using broad messaging that tries to speak to everyone, focus on language that directly mirrors the terms and needs of the search. If someone is searching for a very specific solution, your ad should clearly show that your offer is relevant to that exact need. This tighter alignment can improve engagement and helps create a smoother experience from search to click. Another key area to optimize is your landing page. After someone clicks your ad, the page they arrive on should load quickly, look clean, and immediately confirm that they are in the right place. A slow page can cause visitors to leave before they even see your offer, so speed is essential. Beyond load time, your landing page should include a clear call to action so people know exactly what to do next. Whether the goal is to sign up, request information, or make a purchase, the next step should be obvious and easy to follow. It's also important that the content on the page directly matches the promise of the ad. If your ad talks about a specific product, service, or benefit, the landing page should continue that same message without forcing the visitor to search for it. Consistency builds confidence and reduces drop-off. You should also focus on boosting your click-through rate, or CTR, by improving the appeal of your ads. Strong ad copy should be clear, compelling, and benefit-driven. It should give users a reason to click by highlighting value in a way that feels immediate and relevant. At the same time, make full use of relevant ad extensions, including site links and callouts. These additions give your ad more visibility, more useful information, and more opportunities for users to engage. Site links can guide people to specific sections that matter to them, while callouts can emphasize standout features or benefits in a quick, easy-to-scan format. And when you combine stronger keyword alignment, better landing page experience, and more compelling ads, you create a campaign that feels more relevant at every stage. That relevance is what helps improve performance and drive better outcomes over time.